Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about the fuel, which is natural gas. So we have already studied about coal, which is a solid fuel, and mineral oil, which is a liquid fuel, in our previous videos. In today's video we are going to learn about a gaseous fuel, which is called as the natural gas. Now let us understand how do we obtain a natural gas. So natural gas is obtained in a similar manner like of coal and mineral oil. See, as you see in the picture, this is also made from the dead remains of the plants and animals which are buried in the ocean floor. Now, when these dead animals and plants are buried under the ocean floor, sand and waste various silt deposits on it, and due to high pressure and temperature, the oil and gas deposits are formed, as you can see in the picture. Yes, so plants and animal remains get converted into oil and gas deposits, which is then extracted by various machines or oil wells. Yes, then also we have different machinery for obtaining the natural gas also. Now, natural gas is a fossil fuel. So generally fossil fuel is something which is made up from dead remains of plants and animals, and since natural gas is obtained from the plants and animals, dead plants and animals, it is called as the fossil fuel. But not only natural gas, also the coal and petroleum, which we have studied in our previous videos, coal and mineral oil or petroleum, which we know that those also are the fossil fuels along with the natural gas. So all three are the fossil fuels. So what is our natural gas made up of? Natural gas consists of 85 to 95% of methane, and then there are various other components also, which are ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, and other. Then normally natural gas is transported by with the help of the pipelines, but sometimes in the absence of network of pipelines, they are converted the natural gas is converted into two forms, either compressed natural gas or liquefied natural gas. So let us understand what the CNG or the compressed natural gas, which we normally see in our day-to-day life. Yes, so this is what is a compressed natural gas. You can see the yellow tanks inside the car. These are called as the CNG tanks. They contain the compressed natural gas within them. Now, let us understand the various properties of CNG. So, it catches fire very easily. No solid waste remains after combustion. So, after burning, there is no waste remain, no solid waste. Like if we burn paper, right? We can find ashes at the end, but if you after the combustion of CNG, there is no solid waste which remains behind. Carbon dioxide and water are formed in small quantities. Then it does not produce any other, not only solid, but any other pollutants. It is not giving out any other pollutants. So CNG is considered as a clean fuel normally, and it is very easy to transport CNG. Combustion can be controlled very easily. So when if suppose anything catches fire due to CNG, it is very easy to control the combustion. Okay, now LPG. Let us understand about something called as liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. This is something which you normally see in your kitchens, right? So, what is this LPG is made up of? Or what is this LPG? So, LPG or liquefied petroleum gas is a flammable mixture which catches fire, right? It is made up of gases hydrocarbon gases used as a fuel in heating appliances, cooking equipment, and vehicles. So we use it while cooking and also in the vehicles. How do we get LPG? So it is normally obtained from the sources within the ocean floor. Yes, when we are extracting mineral oil. Okay, or when we are extracting these gases, we get this LPG also from it. What is LPG made up of? So LPG is normally made up of propane and butane. So normally this propane and butane are also in the ratio of 30s to 70. LPG does not have a smell. It is an odorless gas. Odorless gas means it does not have its smell. So what happens is when we are using this LPG in the kitchen, and suppose if there is any leakage, we will not be able to detect it, right? Because it is not having any smell of its own. But since it is not having a smell of its own, ethyl mercaptan is a chemical which is added to this gas, which because of which you can smell the gas, and hence whenever there is some leakage or when you keep the gas on, you can smell the gas, right? Why? Because of the uh, chemical ethyl mercaptan which is added to the LPG. Thank you.